Ito na. So, last week nagbasa ako ng mga bagong batas na nilabas ng immigration. Andito pa rin ako sa page 3, related sa sponsored travels ng mga tourist. Okay? Mga lalabas as tourist visa. Let me read first. 2.1. If the sponsor abroad is a relative within the first civil degree of the passenger, they require a original Philippine Statistics Authority PSA issued birth certificate or report of marriage certificate or report as a proof of first civil degree relationship. Siguro nakalagay dito sa footnotes na ang first degree will be relative within the first civil degree. Example, spouse, child, and parents. Sana nilagay na rin nila yung kapatid, di ba? Pero hindi nila nilagay. Pero is example lang yon. Para sa akin, first degree ang kapatid. Residing abroad, including overseas Filipino workers. Ngayon, kailangan ng confirmed return or round-trip ticket, copies of the following documents of the sponsor such as valid passport, valid work visa permit, residence permit, or equivalent document. Next, ito ang karagdagan. Pag first degree kayo, kailangan nyo ng may OEC. So, kung kukuha kayo, dapat verified ang contract nyo kasi hindi kayo makakakuha ng OEC kung hindi verified ang inyong contract. Or e-receipt or OFW clearance for OFW sponsors. Hindi nakalagay dito na kailangan ng affidavit of support kapag magbi-visit visa ang first degree family. Let's check in the footnote. Baka may footnote na naman silang nilagay dito. Wala namang nakanote sa footnote. As per doon sa bagong batas na nilabas ng immigration, wala pong affidavit of support na nakalista in addition doon sa first degree relatives, which is the spouse, the children, the parents, and sa kapatid. Correct me if I'm wrong. Kasi ito yung nakasulat dito. Otherwise, they have to add it dito sa mismong document na to.